Nung time po na ginanap yung survey po namin, September 9 to 13, all over mainstream media, traditional media, social media, and even broadsheets si Congressman Marcoleta. And mataas pong awareness niya for that week. And ang sabi ko, this reflects yung, if the Senate election was held on that week, mananalo po siya. September 9 to 13 po kasi. Kasi mataas pong kanyang top of mind in terms of, if we do an open-ended question here.
Yung kanyang U-minute?
Yes, sir. Yun po, mataas po talaga siya. And it's driven actually by respondents from the Mindanao area. May mga tinanggal kasi kami, Ma'am Ina, din dito sa aming senatorial survey. The former frontrunners na tinanggal po namin, let's say for example, Get Well Soon kay Dr. Willie Ong, tinanggal na po namin dito sa listahan si Dr. Willie Ong. Kasi when this happened, when we raised the survey, nag-announce na po siya na of course may sakit po siya and hopefully he gets well soon. Tinanggal na po namin and nakita po namin yung same profile po ng voter preference kay Doc Willie Ong napunta actually sa 4 na tao. Kay Congressman Marcoleta, President Duterte, and kay Congressman Pulong, and kay Mayor Baste.